Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have an account and the file link. Now open it. Sign into Figma, then paste or click the shared file link. Once the file loads, make sure you're in the right team and project. Projects group files for quick access. If you see a list of files, double-click the file name to enter the editor. While it loads, check the top left for file name and owner. This helps confirm you opened the intended document before continuing. Once inside the editor, focus on finding content. Use the Pages list for screens and the Layers panel to locate specific components. Zoom with mouse wheel or pinch, and press Shift-1 to fit the selected frame into view so you aren't guessing scale. Make sure the right-hand Inspect panel is visible. That's where you'll see measurements, CSS, and asset export settings. If you need to follow flow, switch to prototype mode to preview interactions, then press play to simulate the user experience. To finish, enter presentation mode to view screens at full size and verify interactions. When you need copies, select frames and export PNG, SVG, or PDF. Alternatively, duplicate the file into your drafts to preserve changes. Make sure sharing permissions match what you need before sending the link onward. If something goes wrong, you can't open the file or layers are hidden, first check permissions, then update or switch browsers, clear cache, or try the desktop app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.